let us learn about the numbers that comes before, after, and between other numbers. In this figure, you can see the position of the egg, chick, and the hen. The egg is before the chick, and the hen is after the chick. The chick is found between the egg and the hen. Let us take the first three numbers, 1, 2, and 3. 2 comes after 1 and 3 comes after 2. 2 comes between 1 and 3. Now, let us try some examples for Biffle numbers. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 9? 8. Let us try some examples for after numbers. What comes after 10? 11. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 9? 10. Let us try some examples for between numbers. What comes between 7 and 9? 8. What comes between 1 and 3? 2. What comes between 4 and 6? 5. Greater than and lesser than. Let us find the greater number and lesser number by counting the pictures. The number of jokers are 1, 2, 3, and the number of dogs are 1, 2. 3 is more than 2. In other words, we say 3 is greater than 2. We can write this as 3 greater than 2. Let us now compare these pictures. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls and 1, 2, 3, 4 teddy bears. 5 is more than 4. In other words, we say 5 is greater than 4. We can write this as 5 greater than 4. Now let us learn about lesser than. Count these pictures and compare them. There are 1, 2, 3 cars and 1, 2, 3, 4 caps. 3 is fewer than 4. We say 3 is lesser than 4. We write this as 3 lesser than 4. Let us see one more example. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brinjals. 6 is fewer than 8. Or we can say 6 is lesser than 8. We can write this as 6 lesser than 8. Use of equal to sign. Next, we will learn about the equal to sign. See this picture. There are 1, 2, 3 oranges and 1, 2, 3 lemons. The quantity of both the fruits are the same. In this case, we use the equal to sign to show that both are equal. We write it as 3 is equal to 3. See the next example. The number of dogs is 1, 2 and the number of pigs is also 1, 2. We write this as 2 is equal to 2. Zero concept. Zero means nothing. Let us see an example to understand this. There are 3 birds on a tree. When all the 3 birds fly away from the tree, there is no bird left on the tree. The number of birds on the tree is equal to 0. 0 means nothing. There are 0 birds on the tree. 3 less 3 is equal to 0, or in other words, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. We write this as 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Let us see one more example. Ramu has 6 balloons with him. All the 6 balloons fly away from him. Now, Ramu has no balloons with him. We write this as 6 minus 6 is equal to 0.